Hello 12th class students. So in this class I will discuss the solutions of your test 1. Question number 1. Write the name of most appropriate columns which can be considered as candidate keys. So based off this table the answer is as per data all the three columns can be a candidate key, but practically this visitor ID and the contact number are the best for the candidate key, because by this you can uniquely identify the data. Question number 2. Out of selected candidate keys, which one will be the best to choose as primary keys? So the answer is visitor ID. Now next question is, what is the degree and cardinality of the table? So the answer is degree is 3 and cardinality is 4. Question number 2. What are the main restrictions enforced by primary key if applied on any column? So the answer is unique values to be entered and it not null. So it is mandatory to fill the information. Now question number 3. The term attribute refers to blank of a table. So it is answer 3. Answer 3 option D part, that is column. Question number 4. In RDBMS, referential integrity can be specified with the help of which one? That is foreign key. Question number 5. Table T1 contains 10 rows and 4 columns. Now table 2 contains 20 rows and 3 columns. So you have to perform the Cartesian products on both T1 and T2. So when you perform the Cartesian product, then number of rows will become 10 into 20, that is 200, and columns will become 4 into 4 plus 3, that is 7. Now total number of columns are 4 plus 3, that is 7, and the columns are 20 into 10, that is 200. So cardinality is 200 and degree is 4. Now question number 6. What is the difference between primary key and candidate key? So a candidate keys are those columns in a table which are able to uniquely identify the record of a table. There can be more than one candidate key in a table. So among these candidate keys, one column is selected as primary key. Only one primary key be applied in a table. And primary key is also one of the candidate key. Question number 7. What is alternate key? So among several candidate keys, one will be selected as the primary key and remaining will be known as alternate key. So we can say alternate key is a candidate key which is not a primary key. Question number 8. Blank in a table represent relationship among a set of value. So the answer is row. Question number 9. Column names of any table must be numeric type, unique, or in a sorted order, or must not be greater than 40 characters. So the answer is must be unique. Question number 10. Tuples of a table can be of blank order, that is any order. Okay. So these are the solution of your test.